Dexter, Michigan. Got that butternut squash right there, y'all. This apple juice is so good. Uh-oh, the bee. Does the bee follow me? After leaving Detroit, Michigan, I took a ride with YouTuber Chad Barrett to a cider farm in Dexter, Michigan. Dexter Cider Farm. Enjoy. And one thing I love, which I don't have much, is fresh apple cider, man. I heard they got hard cider in here and regular cider. I gotta make sure I don't wind up getting no hard cider. We're gonna get some regular apple cider, man, and see what's going on here in Dexter Cider Mill.
I am Nancy Steinhauer. You're at the Dexter Cider Mill in Dexter, Michigan. We were built in 1886. We are the longest continuously run cider mill in the state of Michigan. When we opened in 1886, we have not closed, and we've only had 3 owners, which my parents bought it in 1986 at the 100th year anniversary, and my husband and I have had it for the last 2 years.
Okay, and why is it busy this time of season?
Cider mills are busy in the fall because apples are in season.
How about pumpkins? What do you guys see pumpkins around?
We
What's
have
happening?
pumpkins. Everybody's getting ready for the holiday of Halloween. And it's tradition to have pumpkins and donuts and fall items during that time.
All right, y'all. The little pints are $3.50. Half a gallon is $6. So do the math, man. I just don't want to drink this whole thing. You know, I'll be gonna drink this whole thing down and I'll have a diabetic coma, they call it.
Kids have been asking for these caramel apples since it probably opened, for the season.
Okay, I just bought a half a gallon, right? Where should I go drink it?
You can go in the backyard on the banks of the Huron River.
All right, once again, y'all, it's really crowded in there. And I got my cider. And right here is a porta potty. And it's the picnic tables by the river. So we're gonna go down behind the building here. Oh, wow, this looks pretty cool, man. This is pretty cool. Look at the leaves, man. That's another thing too. The leaves here on the trees, call it Indian summer, it's fall, are absolutely beautiful. This is too cool, man. Got picnic tables out here by the water. I want to camp somewhere like by the water, man. I'm telling y'all, I would actually take a plunge too. You know? I would take that plunge. All right, man. I'm gonna drink my cider right here. All right? We're gonna drink it right here. I got my cup. Chad said I gotta keep this cold, y'all. Yeah. He don't know. I don't mind him talking. I was about to do a little video on your video, man. Oh yeah, here we go, y'all. Check it out, check it out. Uh-oh, I just spilled $5 on the ground. Here we go, y'all, check it out. This is so good. That's too good. That's fresh apple juice. They squeeze it right here, man, or they press it. Right? Would you call it squeezing or pressing? It's pressed apples, man. This apple juice is so good, y'all. Uh-oh, the bee. Does the bee follow me? The bee trying to get me, y'all. You want some?
No, I had mine.
You don't have a cup?
I had a pint. That's gonna be enough for me.
Yo, I'm gonna drink 4 of these. Oh my goodness. I'm drinking these like shots. That's sad, right? Look at that cider, y'all. Isn't that cool?
I bought a pumpkin spice one a couple weeks
A
ago.
pumpkin spice cider? Oh, they had different kind in there?
Not here, but at the grocery store.
Oh, it's so good.
And yeah, it was
What?
messed up.
Oh. Oh, this is good. If you're ever down near Dexter, if you're near Dexter, Michigan, and I'm understanding that this is apple cider season. Oh yeah, it'll probably be until another month, right? Right up until the holidays. So they have pumpkins here. They have these fresh squeezed apple johns, man. You gotta check it out. On to the next one, man. I'm about to get back on the highway and go camping somewhere. I don't know what I'm doing, man. And that's the thing, you know. I just love to just roll, you know. No plans, just rolling. Just spontaneity, man. You know, let's just do it. I could be just sitting here chilling and enjoying this moment, you know, and be like, wow, I'm gonna be here for 10 hours, right? And then 5 hours later, I'm like, yo, let's jump out of a plane with parachutes. Y'all crazy. So I left Michigan and hit Indiana and spent the night at a Love's gas station. I woke up and it was ice all over the car. Good morning, family. This is my 4th night of sleeping in the car. I'm in Michigan City, Indiana, and it's about 34 degrees, and I got my big quilt here, and on top of a sleeping bag, and I got this, I don't know if you guys can see this little smaller, a thinner sleeping bag. I got a thicker sleeping bag under me. I'm only sleeping on top of that. And once again, my I have two 1.5 inch memory foams underneath me. And I'm in a Love's gas station. And I like Love's, man. Love's is pretty cool. I was just hanging out last night, man, and getting my thoughts together where I'm going next. And I'm headed to Chicago from here. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna go to Planet Fitness. I'm going to Starbucks first and get some editing done. So hopefully you guys will be seeing some clips. And then I'm going to Planet Fitness. Then I'm getting on the road, going to Chicago, and then we're gonna make some more plans from there. It's all about that spontaneity, man. Thanks for hanging out with me for this cross-country journey. Also, I bought a hat, man. You guys would be seeing my new hat. It's not a winter hat, though. I need to be buying me some winter hats. At least one winter hat. And this is it, man. It's cold, man. You ever sleep in the cold? If you never slept in the cold, right? You're blessed. Check out my view, y'all. This is my morning view. 5:30 in the morning. Michigan City,